Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Who among you are most likely to look in the sky at night? Stargazing, waiting for the comets to flash down, or kaya naman wondering about the vastness and the unlimitedness of the universe? Kapag ganun, sakto ang vlog na ito sa'yo. So in this vlog, we will be talking about the solar system with philosophy. Let me say to you our first objective. Our objectives are divided into three. Number one, to review you again among our planets and the basic understanding and characteristic of each planet. Second, to explain the radical change of our point of view in the universe from the medieval to the advent of Renaissance period. And our third objective is to create a potential factor of expanding our knowledge about the universe. Okay, let's jump in. Lesson number one. What are the 8 planets in the solar system? Basically, there are two existing categories of planets. Number one, these are the terrestrial planets, which are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. How about the second categories? These are called the Jovian planets. These are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So in order for you to get all of these 8 planets, pwede tayo gumawa ng mnemonics. Para madali nating matandaan, just tandaan lang natin, my very eager mother just served us nuts. My very eager mother just served us nuts. Pero sa tingin nyo kaya, paano kaya umusbong ang ating kaalaman tungkol sa pagkakadiskubre ng mga planeta? Of course, based on the scientific research and the age of discoveries. Let us ask you the basic characteristic of each planet. Are you ready? What is the smallest and closest planet to the Sun? Mercury. The second and the hottest planet in the solar system. Venus. What is the planet known for sustaining life? Earth. What is also known as the red planet? Mars. What is the largest planet and also the fifth planet? Jupiter. It is the second largest planet and the sixth planet in the solar system. Saturn. The 7 planets in the solar system. Uranus. The farthest and the coldest planet. Neptune. Okay, we're done with our first objective. Did you know that even before Christ, the ancient people had their own conception of the world?
In this Bible, we will see the Asian picture of the world. Makikita natin how the Hebrews look at the Asian worlds. So, ayan. Even this. Bago tayo pumunta sa heliocentric.
Have you heard the word heliocentric before? If not, we will now enter to the second objective about the solar system. Did you know that during the medieval times, they have already world picture about the universe? They thought that the Earth is the center of the universe. So in this picture, they believe that the Earth was the center of the universe. They think that it was ranked according to its relation to God. But by then, by the first century, remember the church was the supreme power and authority to hold all the truths about the development of knowledge. It so happened that she was found out in dilemma, meaning they would not allow ideas that would compete with the Bible and the world scripture. Moving forward, there was a man named Roger Bacon who proposed a perspective method in order to study nature. He argues that we should look at more in the systematic way of investigating things, not only observing but also experimenting. He believed that in order for us to look deeper into things, we have to use tools in order for us to know more about the things. That's why we have invented the microscope and the telescope to wider things around us. So this is the turning point around us. A man named Nicholas Copernicus of 1443 published his books, which is entitled On the Revolution of the Celestial Spheres. He presented his heliocentric hypothesis that the Earth circulates the Sun and not the other way around. This has inspired the scholars to study the planetary system and thereby became the start of the scientific revolution. Let us say, for example, on January 7, 1610, Galileo Galilei used telescope to observe Jupiter. With all the technologies came to this very age, there's a potentiality that we can go into the moon. Right? Remember that during the 1969, there's the time when the man first came into the moon. But today, human can send somebody into space and another planets like red planet, which is Mars, right? Meaning to say that they are in continue to explore things around us. Let us move to the third objective. Have you heard the current news about the universe? It's the black hole, right? Recently, the image of a black hole, meaning to say, with all the satellite, they were able to express this kind of phenomenon in our universe. The essence of a black hole says something that no light can travel or pass within it. What else? The transformation of making man to travel more into space. Possible of another exploration in Mars, sending man into another planet. Therefore, our study on the planetary system continues up to this very day. Well, I hope you have gained insight. If you have comment, reaction, let's talk about it. Thank you. Bye.